It's good?
Smell good? Open natin.
Sesay. Sesay.
Tawag ka, Daddy.
You choose Starbucks or Pahayag?
Yeah!
Ah, it's good. Can I see? What can you say? Ah.
Try mo nga ang cookies ni Mimi. Ay, brownies.
How was it? Huh? Good.
May pagsayaw pa. Oh, hold mo. Thank you po for the yummy brownies. Wala na pinagpalit ng Starbucks.
Magtatakutin niya ako. Nagsisimula agad ang video.
Ano masasabi mo po? Ha?
Oh, you're welcome, my love.
What can you say about your milk? Is it good? Huh? How about this? Is good? Huh? Oh, kakagatin pati.
Salita. Is that yummy? Can I have some?
I will ask you something. You choose Starbucks or Pahayag?
Is it good?
Oh, thank you. Hindi ko pa nga pala nagtikman to.
Yummy!
Yummy!
Sarap na. Katamis. Taga,
Show mo kay Jan Jan. Show mo kay Jan Jan.
Kinikilig pa. Kaya dyan.
Haha, I have cheese roll.
Pinagpalit
Para biling
ng
ako,
ano.
Sen.
Pinagpalit ng Starbucks sa Pahayag. Ay, siya din daw may order.
No.
Ay, yun din daw siya.
Oh, do you try this, oh?
Ito na, okay, dati na. Ang dami mo ng order. It's mine! Sa'yo pala yan. Inayos ko lang.
Try this, oh.
Bangka naman dyan.
How was it?
Ang order ko is... Ano to?
How was it? How was it? Good din, good din.
Ah, ito. Try this.
Sarap.
Ikaw ang taga-tikim ng lahat, ha? Oh, this one pa. Red velvet cookies. It's so yummy. Try it.
How was it? Good.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Can I have? Yes. Which one? Which one? Okay, thank you. I have this. Oh. Thank you.